Oh, hey, man.
What is that?
What are you talking about?
What's the new camera?
Oh, it's just this new Canon T6S. You ever heard of it?
No. Have you ever heard of the Vivitar? Is this one not good enough for you? Huh?
I mean...
The one that started us recording?
I mean, I can just throw this one away, I guess, if you want.
You're unbelievable. Sentimental means nothing to you. This was $40.
We're shooting in HD now, Nick. HD.
Look at this. Look at this. Full HD right there. DVR 1440 4K. Yeah, whatever. Oh, whatever.
I may be legally blind, but I don't think that's what it said.
Don't care.
Alright guys, we're back here again. This time for the Nasty Burp Challenge 2.
Whoa. Whoa.
What do you mean?
What was wrong with the first one?
I mean, we clearly did it wrong, Nick.
How did we do it wrong?
You just ran around like a loony while I tried to burp in your face. You're supposed to take it.
You took some punches, so someone was taking it.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. I'm not doing it. Okay, so you're gonna have to do it with someone else.
Okay, Oscar?
Say hi, Bubba's. He doesn't want to do it either.
Oh, well, you're just gonna have to do it then.
I'm not doing it.
The people want it, Nick.
I'm not doing it.
Weenie.
Nick! Nick, where are you? We gotta do this video, Nick.
I'm working out. Up. Up. Up.
Are we gonna do this or not?
Fine, we can do it. But I'm gonna make the drink that you gotta drink for the nasty stuff. Okay? Sound good? Is that fair?
As long as we're doing it, that's good.
Okay. Okay, ready? Okay, so you're gonna be doing this bad boy.
Oh, not those again.
Yep, that's right. And then, see, you're gonna be doing with cottage cheese and jalapeno sauce. Right there, sound good? Not, what did I say? Jalapeno sauce? Jalapeno, whatever.
Oh no.
I'm gonna try it. That's hot, man.
Oh my god.
I don't know how you can do that. Oh, you got yourself some water.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm being the wussy over here.
So if you guys didn't catch that, I'm cut off. If you guys didn't catch that, this is cottage cheese, jalapeno juice, and some of those nasty Bean Boozled.
That's right. I don't know who's got it worse, you or me.
There we go.
Okay, so before you drink it, the point of the challenge is I'm gonna see how long I can last with him burping in my face without me punching back, which is kind of stupid. Okay. Drink it. Chug. Just like in college. No, come on. Does your breath stink?
Oh my god.
Is it bad?
Oh.
Is it good?
Oh, it's so good, man.
You like your breath stinks? Let me smell. Now, a little more. A little bit more, just a little bit.
You're killing me, man.
You know what, if I don't last 5 minutes, I will drink the rest of it. Just for you. Yeah, so if I don't last over 5 minutes, I'll drink the rest of it. Okay, ready? This is awful. Wait, can you see my face? Okay, we're started. Bend down a little bit. That's super loud. I can smell the Bean Boozled freaking video. Oh! Can I laugh or no? It was easy.
Ah, this is so gross.
Is your mouth burning?
Oh my god.
Wait, so can I cough?
Yeah.
So I just can't, no, I can't take it. Oh my gosh. I can taste it. That's disgusting. You're doing like a sumo stance.
Oh.
It's been a minute.
Oh. Whoa.
I get more out of me.
I don't have any more in me.
You don't have any, I think you need some more.
Oh no. No, that's fine, man. That's fine.
Just breathe in my mouth.
Oh.
I can't do it anymore. I can't do it. That's disgusting.
Oh my gosh.
That is.
Oh. I've never been so proud of my life.
That's accomplishment.
I think we both lost this challenge.
We did. Okay, since I'm a man of my word, I only lasted 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And I said if I lasted under that, I would drink the rest of this.
I still don't think you should do it.
Under 5 minutes, I mean. You think I should do a little bit? Nah, I'm gonna do all of it.
Oh my goodness.
Ready?
Am I ready? Are you ready?
I'm gonna take a little test. Holy crap. That's freaking hot. I'm about to cry. You're gonna see me cry. You ready?
Oh. Again, are you ready?
I don't want to do it. You ready?
Do it.
Come on. Just like.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that noise. Oh god, me.
Oh. Oh, my flesh. That was the worst thing I've ever done in my life.
Now look into the
And
camera.
that toilet smells like poop.
That was incredible. Is that the first person to puke on your channel?
That's me. That's right.
That's you.
Besides people who watch my videos. Alright guys. That was the nasty burp challenge part 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please. Because that's awful.
Please.
I'm gonna spend the next 10 minutes crying. You're gonna be a douchebag. Is it good? What's that sound?
The autofocus.
That thing's louder than crap.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what I'm talking about now? Oh, that's pretty nice. Oh, I've already worn this shirt before, whatever. It's my favorite shirt.